Hey everybody, Ricky D here. Today we're going to be removing, repairing, and then reinstalling the backup light assembly or lens assembly. And it should be loads and loads of fun. Let's go for the ride. My surprise, when I looked inside the lens assembly, it was about half filled with water, which meant that the socket and maybe the wiring, definitely the bulb, is going to be all corroded. So this is why my backup light is not working. So the first thing I did is remove 4 of the fasteners on the bottom of the black diffuser. So you have one here. It's right next to the exhaust tip, right there. And if you go along, you're going to see 3 more right after here. You pull those out, and then right under the lens assembly, you're going to see 2 of the screws, and those are Phillips head screws. You take those out. You're going to notice some heat reflective tape on the back of the lens assembly. Because it's right near the muffler. You're going to have to just tear that off like I did here, and I just re-glued it when I was done, and that'll expose the back of the lens assembly. To remove the backup light diffuser in the rear, there it is. This one filled up with water. I'm going to have to seal it up. What you have to do is remove the retaining clips right under, this is called, I think, the rear diffuser extension or something like that, or the rear extension, rear bumper extension. And it's all along the black part. Take out those 4, and then you could pull this away, and then right here is 2 screws on the bottom. Remove those 2 screws, and then you go behind the bumper. Behind the bumper, and there'll be, let's see if we could get maybe some light. But there's 2 screws all the way back here. Here, here, and here. I'm not sure if you can see that. Here's the lens assembly with sealant right around the edges. And this should solve the leaking problem. Thankfully, I was able to clean up the connector with some WD-40 and just scrubbing it away, getting all the rust and the pitting off of it. The wires were great, and I didn't show you how to put everything back. I assume if you took it apart, you know how to get it all back together. Do me a favor, if you could just hit the like button and subscribe, it really would mean a lot. I appreciate you watching the video, and I hope you have a good day. Bye now.